Amazon enables sellers to add their products in bulk existing catalog using Inventory Loader. In this video, we will learn about how to list products in bulk using Inventory Loader file. Please note that this file requires basic attributes to be filled like product ID, ASIN, UPC, EAN, SKU, price and quantity. Let's get started. From Seller Central homepage, click on Inventory tab and select Add Products via Upload. Click on Download an Inventory File tab. Click on Inventory File to upload your complete catalog as mentioned in Step 1, or scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Inventory Loader File. Once clicked, the Help page screen will show. Click on Download Inventory Loader and a copy will be downloaded to your PC. Click on the downloaded sheet and start adding your information. Make sure to use the instructions and data definition sheets as to guide for filling the sheet. If you have the list of ASINs that you wish to add products to, enter the ASINs in Product ID column and select 1 from Product ID type and choose 11 from Item Condition as mentioned in the definitions. Please note, before uploading your file, make sure to check your ASINs on Amazon to avoid any product mismatch. If you have the list of barcodes, UPC, EAN, ISBN that you wish to add products to but do not have the corresponding ASINs, enter the barcodes in Product ID column and select the Product ID type number as 2. Once you're done with filing the template, save the file in a text.txt format before uploading. In order to upload the file in Add Products via Upload page, click on Check and Upload Your Inventory File tab. From the drop-down menu, select Inventory Loader File. You can check the status of your file from Monitor Upload Status. If the processing report displayed multiple errors, search for the error code in the Help search bar to learn more about the error and solution. If the processing report displayed errors that the listed ASIN, UPC, EAN were not recognized, that means the item is not listed on Amazon.ae. In this case, proceed with new listing creation and follow Step 2, or use the category-specific files.